Good YouTube. Today I'm going to be giving you guys what a $50 room tour. All right, so let's go. This is my room. Okay, so right now you can see we have our what. This is a wooden door. No, I mean an iron door. Okay, we have an iron door and we also have what, a wooden door. So we have two doors in my $50 room. We have two doors. Do you have two doors in your house? You don't have two doors, so in case of insecurity, you use this door. We also have that one. So we have two doors. Anyway can enter. All right. So now we have our wardrobe. This my bad. This is a cupboard, okay? They call it a cupboard, but I don't know. Does it look like a cupboard to you? I don't know if it looks like a cupboard or yeah. So, shit, bro. So right now you can see a lot of things were packed there. A lot of things is packed there. You can see a lot of things there. You can see, we have basically, everything. It just looks like a depot, a deposit where you can come and deposit something. Like I don't know if it is good or is it good looking or something, like I don't know, but like I just love it like this. Sometimes we used to arrange it and sometimes, I used to even see some cockroach, but I don't really care because, once I am able to sleep and wake up and eat, that's not my problem, all right? So now we have our table. We have a fancy table. You can see this table. We used to keep our slippers, like, it's just, I don't know what this table is all about, but we just, it's just a fancy, we don't normally use it, but sometimes I do use it, okay, when I want to try to feel like, I don't know if you get me. All right, so right now we have our table. This is a chair. This is a very long chair, like a lounge. We call it a lounge or a couch. Which one are you calling it? Me, I don't know. So now you can see all these all these things are dirty clothes. This is my towel. Don't mind me. I put my towel inside a dirty place, but that one is not my problem. So we used to arrange this place sometimes, and try to keep our clothes, but some we just like it's just a long story. So right now we have our bag. This is my bag, and like where I used to keep my my clothes. Yeah. All right. So right now we have our bed. This is my bed. If you have been following me for a very long time, you already know about this bed. This is the bed that I used to use. Like stream, jump on it. Step on it. Do whatever I want to do. Sometimes if I think one time I've even break the stick that they used to put under it, but that one is not my problem. And a lot of things also happen on this bed, but that one is not my problem. Leave it for the hand of God. All right. So right now we have our ring light. This is my ring light. This is my biggest boy, because without this boy you'll not be seeing me very well. You'll be like, where's this boy? I can't see this boy. No, I won't watch this video, but you have to watch this video. This is my laptop. This is my table. This is my fan. I love them so much, bro. Like, is it pee that is coming from my mouth? Don't mind me. All right, so basically that's my room. And one more last thing, I want to show you guys what my roof and no, you are not seeing my roof. Okay, so this is my roof. You can see my small bulb. You see my roof. You see this is a zinc, and this zinc cost me about $25. $25. I don't want this video to be long, or I want to post it at a short. Okay, so I'll see you guys later. That's my room, my $50 room. All right, so you can see, let me give you a quick recap. You can see my room, you see. So make sure you like and sub, and I will see you guys in the next one.